In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a read receipt confirming the recipient viewed the email in Outlook. Now, without further ado, this should be a quick process video. Now let's go jump straight into it. A read receipt confirms that the message was opened. In Outlook, the message recipient can decline to send a read receipt, and there are other scenarios where read receipts are not sent. So let's go ahead and open the Outlook app. Make sure you're on the home page. Click on New Mail because in the new Outlook version, this is how to do it. Just go ahead, click on Options, which is at the top, and now just click on the three dots, which is More Options. If you want to request a read receipt, all you have to do is check this checkbox so you can request a read receipt from the recipient if they viewed the email in Outlook. After you go ahead and do that, just go ahead, write the email of the recipient, add the subject, and then just write the email and click Send. So that was how to get a read receipt confirming the recipient viewed the email in Outlook. That was a quick and easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.